thank you.
Light checks last year in Europe, so thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hello. I'm shocked because he said hello. I know this guy. It's good. A kind person. I go into Georgi apartment. Old apartment.
Your destination is on the right.
Yes, it's with his apartment. And the last things I need to take in Georgi also pick up. And send him to a new apartment. Very hungry because I planning to eat with Shaira. But Georgi said need today take his things. Night time, but it's good here, silent, not noisy. Oh, not noisy, dog here. So many dogs. Yeah. Don't have construction workers. Just say not noisy. So noisy. Of course, so many dogs. Of course, everywhere dogs. This guard. Security guard. Oh, Georgi. Hi, Georgi. I just say not noisy here. Good. And dogs barking. Only this? More? Okay. Georgi, long time waiting. Wait me. Because today I live stream. Long time live stream. Georgi, it's already last? A long time wait me. Maybe not. Bad mood maybe. This for sale. No, need first to put a chair.